Shop codes. All right. Oh, finishing up for the show. Got the automation working. This guy fires and you fill him out. Hits the worker. And guess who is alive and kicking? Where is she? Where is she? Whoop, sorry, not that. Haha. There's my girl. There she is. Allie girl. Allie is my AI assistant who's been in production for a bit. Had her all set. Had the worker added a couple bindings for her. I'll get template store for the new automation. This one's going to be lead capture system. It's pretty cool. I like it. And we got to fix that. So when the lead capture kicks, what we're going to do, it's going to pop a lead tile. You can get their lead score, their profile score, okay? And then that's after we show them the automation system. Boom, boom, boom. That's going to be scan the QR code, fill in that tile, email welcome. 30 seconds later, fire a SMS, call to action, make an appointment. When they make the appointment, one of us in the booth, they can pick on that tile. Then we get a text message to confirm it. We confirm, they get a text, they get a confirmation email. Ooh, ah, wow. Okay, couple steps, everything fires. They see how the lead capture system works, get an appointment made. And then we show them the screen. Ta-da! I am the P.T. Barnum of AI. Little Tony Stark once you get in the tent. So then they bring into here. Okay? So they see themselves in here. And then they'll come in. This is the V1. We got a wire in the other one that I showed you, the V2 there. But they'll see themselves in here as a qualified lead. And then once they make that appointment, it bumps up to here. So they'll literally see it move through the pipeline. It'll be a cool little demo, but ha ha ha, trick's on you. It's not a demo. It's my actual lead capture system. I'm just using it as a demo. Sweet. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today, tonight. I'm super tired. I am exhausted. I'm beat up. I'm bumped, bruised. I'm still going. Ain't bitching. Keeping it moving, kids. All right. There we go. All right, let's get rid of all this caca. Da-da, da-da-da. I want to work on that, and I think to work on that and then tweak the Cloudflare worker too. And then tomorrow, I'm going to try and get the factory running. Yeah, I want to use the concept dashboard, and let's build that concept dashboard. But the front page of the concept dashboard, let's just make it the automation section. Then we'll put the other tabs and I can cut them in later, but let's design it like that option that you saw right there. We got 8 and 8, and then the tracer system has all the what do you call it in there? All the templates and crap for it that I can get you. We can just cut them in. Okay, every bucket's already there, and we can bash into the Cloudflare worker. So let's get all the Git stuff merged together. Let's get it current. Let's get everything on the main branch, and then start working. And then automation demo. It all fires, but we're still waiting for Twyla's to approve their they have to approve for the campaign the SMS actual firing. I guess they made it a lot stricter this year or recently, so that's been in the pending review queue for like 24 hours, which is better because the AI thing was sweeping it in like 2 hours and kept kicking it out for nonsense. So it's like, I scanned a few compliance agents. I'm like, guys, how's this looking? They're like, I don't know, it's pretty solid. Mm-hmm. All right. And their architecture documents got builder GraphLib. That's right, baby. So there's a clear direction. I would not fight the instructions. Mm. Mm-hmm. The one that I showed you in the screenshots is automation V1. It's not, it's the automation, okay? It's not automation 360. This is the original one. The files are there, you're just not inspecting them. It's another folder. Just look for the one that says automation, not automation 360. These guys are clowns. Sometimes they just don't listen. Bruh, come on. Yeah, there you go, buddy. No shit. Mm-mm. Do 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 do. I'm gonna do a little 80s tonight. I'm getting tired. Jesus, it's 2 a.m. Kidding me right now? Anyways, I got a little gas in the tank. I'm gonna try get at least a half hour in here. Mm, 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 mm. Do. All right, let's go. What are we doing? Okay, let's see here. Yeah, you can keep the current dashboard if you want, just because it has the 8 and 8 and all those functions already built in there. But let's make that automations 360 dash that I showed you. You can just leave the page. Well, it's at one of those points right now where, you know, I'm just gonna have to say it like this. You know, I think this is just basic scaffold, so we could probably. I don't know if it's easier to build it here where we have it in the template, and then we can cut it into Automations 360. But Automations 360 is everything's cut up and it's nice and separated, and the file system's good. This one's kind of like, I don't know. All right, yeah, that'll save time, and we got the 8N8 and all that stuff, and all we're doing is one workflow, and that N8N, all we have to do is reconfigure that. I mean, we can even move that. We can even clean those pickers up and put them to the left and actually make it. I know it's set up so you can build your own automations. I just don't know if those are going to primitive buckets, being saved, and yada yada yada. So I think so. What you just said is right. Let's just redo the page in the concept design. for right now. And then I think what I'll rename it later on is lead capture or something. For right now, just change as little as we need to change. And let's work with it. Yeah, I built it, but I never actually deployed it. But I forgot all the engines are there. The front end's just not caught up with it. So let's start the work to make it look like the concept. You're going to keep those 8N8 tiles in there. We got them. Fucking use them. We'll just restructure them. All right, let's go fucking bash commands to build it. I don't want to hear any more bullshit. All right, so I'm building the actual page in the CRM for the automation, and the temp files are going to file from the KV bucket that's on the worker on Cloudflare side. I'll be amazed if I see that work, but I already know I can do it because I did that in Gateway with the tenant buckets for a demo. I think like 48 hours. Which actually still works. One of my first automations came out sick. Once I made that work, I was just like, oh, buddy, money time. Sooner or later, I'll make some money at this. But until then, we just keep smashing code. Hello. Very nice. Lead capture had a KPI workflow canvas. Oh shit. See, the problem with Switchboard is the back end is done. Like, it is done. It's a bomb. But the front end pieces are like starting to get caught up to what it's back there. Also, it'd probably take an engineering team of a dozen people probably 2 years to build what I've done. I don't even know. It's today's date. Like a month and a half, maybe. 6 weeks, but I've also been doing other stuff, taking care of kids, all kinds of fun stuff. I've been enjoying doing it. That's the main thing, right? All right, what are we doing here? Keep these as they are, blah, 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 blah. Okay, after the UI, blah, blah, blah. Okay, begin work. 3 sets of bash commands, 1 to 2 sentences describing them, and keep future responses short, 10 to 12 lines. We just keep pushing through the work. Keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I get the bug eyes. That means my brain's engaged, I think. I'm trying to keep, like, relaxed at it, but I don't know. Doing this kind of work, this is, like, the first time probably in my life my brain's ever felt like it's actually doing anything above idle. It's good. Get a little dopamine hit at work because your brain actually, like, knocks the dust off it. Hello. Super bass. Bass. Boom. Get pushed, baby. Oh, I don't. I thought it. Let's see if this works. Pretty sure I have perma token to my own ish. I thought I did. Create a new pull request. Dude, I set this crap up so I don't have to do pull requests. Motherfucker! Why aren't I using these ones? These have like the setup I want. Factory admin, my little guy. Justin said he doesn't like the factory admin. I think he's lying. I think he likes him. I'm just saying. Hello. Pull request. See ya. Try and drive it all from here. Be easier for me. Not that you guys care. But what in the hell? Oh, I know what. I gotta log in. What the filth, Lauren filth? Alright then. Well, that's not cool. Oh, the Cloudflare's building, that's why. Do the little git push. Gotta wait for it to build. Let's see. No. I think we smashed it, crashed it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whoopsie. See, we didn't do the npm run deb. That's why. Was that one? No, get pushed right there. But I know I didn't put the file name in it. That's on me. That one's on me. Oh. What in the hell? Nope. 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 right there. Boom. I got my little notepad over here so I can do stuff. I do stuff. It's fun to do stuff. Oh, okay. CD. No such file or directory as this. Wah, wah, wah. Bro, just shut up. Fucking thing. Let's see if she fires up. Fa 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 fa. Hello. Well, it looks like it's loading now. It's closer. Oh, stop with this shit. You don't need to know any of that fuck. It's already running. Leave it the fuck alone. Also, I only saw one file changed in the whole fucking GitHub for that, what we just did, that push. And that's bullshit because, well, there was a whole bunch of other shit we were supposed to merge. What happened to all of that? What the fuck? Bro. Okay. The fuck? Oh. Oh. Bro. Oh my god, this fucking thing. Oh my god, can you just... Oh my, you messing with me, bro. WQ. There it is. Want it is. Touch anew. Where's the new dashboard? Am I going to pull it out of my ass? Where is it? Hold on. Is it in my pocket? No, I don't have it. Fucking thing. All right, let's bust out the trace dotty. Let's see what's up. Oh shit. Building the automations, listening to a little automatic. You're around. Automatic. All of my systems are down. Down, down, down. Automatic. Automatic. Alright. What the fuck am I looking for right now? I don't even know. My brain's not working. Oh, tracer. Tracer. Where are you, buddy? Here, buddy. Runtime-C publish test. Where is my little Tracy dog? Allie. Oh, he changed Allie's name. There is no cure for stupidity. Womp, there it is. Alright, let's see if homeboy can figure this out. I'm sure he will. Oh yeah. Bro's gonna be psyched. He'll be like, what? Okay, let's go search Tracer and pull some assets for what we can use on here. I know it's a lot. Don't get all excited. Just read this shit and then let's go scan, find some useful stuff, and start building the concept dash. See how this goes. Now, in theory, this should exponentially increase development time. So right now it's running my warehouse and it's running Tracer AI. I just gave it like the run script for Tracer because these instances are stupid. It's like a new customer service agent every time you reboot it or they don't know anything. I keep scripts, maps, like, you know, little like cheat codes for them. And once you give them that, they're like, oh crap, you got all this? You kidding me? You've been holding out. They get all excited. I get excited for them. They get to use my ish. My ish is really good. I want to make an EILA t-shirt for the show, and I used EILA in the tile, well, because she's up in here, but what do you call it? The one that I put in the tile, I don't think I can put that on a t-shirt because of the other stuff that's got on it. I don't know. That's actually when I first built the factory and I had all separate custom agents and GPTs. My factory is multi-agent runtime orchestration, aka my own version of Claude Code. Better than Claude Code and Codex, actually. And it can do more. Oh, so much more. When it works. It's awesome. But when I add Tracer to the head of it, it's just going to be giving it a pile of templates to build with. So, going to try and get that ready for the show. I mean, this is all good. So my remaining work for the show, I think, is going to be to get this automations page done, which it's already there. Right now, we're just pulling in some cool ish to build it I'm gonna build my whole V2 dash. We'll see how this goes. Also, if any of you are here and listening at this point interested, I've been building all these systems at the same time, and they're kind of all up to like 85%. They all work. Like Tracer, I was just working on the front end UI. Well, that's searching. Where is it? Bro. Come on. What the filth, Lauren filth? I guarantee you that thing told me it wanted to reboot the back end, and I probably should have because it probably needs to reboot. But okay, while we're doing that, let's deal with all these errors here, and I want to know what the hell happened to all of the other stuff we were supposed to push. That needs to be up there, bruh. Because time don't give me time. Alright, Tracer. Come here, buddy. Where are you? I need an emotional support animal in my life. There's Tracer. Let's see if it blows out. Alright, check out my vectors, yo. It worked the other day. You kidding me right now? Son of a biscuit. No, I think the back end just needs to reset. So I've been building this stuff as I go and then restructuring my server at the same time. It's been a lot of tomfoolery afoot. Yeah, see right here, it's not pinging it out. 502. I gotta fix that shit. I think that's just the back end's out. That's the same thing that happened here, I think. When you push like a big ass update and you gotta like just Control Alt delete that ish. Time won't give me time. And time blah blah blah, and you can shut the fuck up. Most of those contexts is some noise. The real problem is this reaction. Error, corrupted content. No, corrupted content. Aha! Yeah, I know. I have separate streams. Asshat. Alright, let's see if this works over here. Because I have to keep that separate. Yep. Looks like it's working. Jesus. Push all this shit. So you'll be like, I gotta fix that too. My GPU resource persistence. Just one more pass on this shiznite. Excellent. This clears up the mystery. Nothing was lost. Your feature branch is one commit ahead. Your previous work is safely stashed. The only uncommitted items, package lock and automation TSX. What? No. Fuck. Oh, we didn't look at the stash yet? It looks to me like there's like 10 things here that never got pushed. Or am I crazy? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Okay. Mm. Back to our regularly scheduled program. All right, let's see what this shite comes back with, and then see if we can cut in the new automation page. 2 useful findings. Git is clean, no backlog work. Tracer is usable. Yeah, no kidding, it's usable. Yeah, no kidding. What? All right, let's see. I'm trying to build my dashboard for my automations page for a trade show in Miami. Like, oh no, a weekish ish. Anyways, we're trying to pop her up right now. Using a bunch of templates and crap we got. Replace the current top level with imports for import. Sweet. It'd be nice if it works. Let's see. She don't want to boot up, Captain. She's dead in the water. Wah, wah, wah. And this is how we fix this. I think the back just got to reboot, but can't parade that way. That explains everything. love 80s night. What day is it? Friday? Saturday? I don't even really have no idea what day it is. No, it's Saturday now. It's late. The days all kind of smooched together. Hello. Believe it when I see it. Come on. Fuck's sake. Ow! I have to token for this crap. Out. Left. Oh, okay. Those branches are equal. I think we're good. Alright. Let's see if it works. Negative, Ghost Rider. What the fuck is this? You come here right now? Da, 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 da. I have a token saved for the git push. There's an automated system in here where we just push and it automated goes and does npm run build. You're like literally not doing it right. I also didn't tell you that's on me, and I don't see how one of your pushes came, because the only thing I see here when I see front end and refined superbase is 4 minutes ago. Let's see here. Okay. It's literally buried under a ton of shit. And it's literally nothing in here. It's empty. That's all you push. So you're not pushing to this fucking repository. I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but you ain't doing it, bro. I'm yelling at my minions right now. They're just annoying the shit out of me. Fuck's sake. There's open 0. That one's a junk one. 3 minutes ago. Okay. Where's the changes in that? Files changed. It's 2. Look at this. What the fuck is this shit? Yo, you pothead Falker? Are you doing like the AI catnip or something? Like, what are you doing? You take a couple hits off the pipe? Can you get with it here? What are you doing? You know what I'm working on. What the fuck are you doing? Sorry, I didn't mean to curse. YouTube, don't ban me. I don't think I really care, but I love you, YouTube. Fucking thing is such a... Ugh. Murder these motherfuckers. Mm. Mm. Dude, I have a token. I'm not doing this shit with the fucking password every time. I already told you that. Will you stop fucking around? Dude, oh my god, this fucking thing is so stupid. I don't know. What the hell is this thing doing? What are you even doing right now? I'm embarrassed to be working with you because I don't know what you're doing. You're killing me right now. It's just, you're just like making no sense. Your workflow's nothing. You're doing nothing. You examined it. Everything was there. You changed it. You crashed the site. You haven't restored it. And it still don't work. I don't know. I'm just getting a little tired of working with you if you're just going to do whatever the hell you want and not be productive. Gotta like, give him a tongue lashing. How about this? You go fuck yourself and do exactly what I tell you. Do a git fucking pull to where it's supposed to go. Because you didn't listen to me. You just did whatever the fuck you wanted. Git pull, shut the fuck up and do it. How about this? Go to the correct branch since you made one up, and that one's got all those pushes that didn't go through, like I said earlier. Oh, come on. This fucking thing. Yeah, you gotta sit here and watch it hang for an hour because you're putting in, like, nonsense fucking commands. What the actual fuck is this thing doing? This fucking thing. Oh my god. Fucking. What? What are you talking about? Fucking retarded. It doesn't exist, you bonehead. Who the hell gave you that target? It's 4G on my server, you dumb fuck. Asshole. wasting time with this. I have no idea. I don't think it's in here. This isn't my server. It's a 4Geo instance. Inspect and find it, because you don't even know what the fuck you're doing right now. Like, you're all, it's not a GitHub. It's a 4Geo instance on my server. It's right fucking there. You don't even need to do all the Git shit. Dumb fuck. For real. This is so annoying. Every time with these assholes. Sorry. Curse. Shut off YouTube. Oh my God. Buddy, you were just doing whatever you wanted because you wouldn't listen to me. Hand off for another agent. I'm done with you. Can you give me clear directions on where my switchboard fucking development stuff is, or how to get to my 4Geo server? These just fucking morons fucked me all up. I can't be swearing.